Welcome to CigarCity Softwash Supply. In this video, we'll be looking at one of our enclosed series softwash and pressure washing trailers, which represent the next level of craftsmanship and care. Designed and fabricated by our sister company, Dominator Fabrication, this fully enclosed rig is built in a 6x12 foot enclosed trailer for professionals who take pride in their work and want their equipment protected and organized. Every enclosed series rig begins with a solid foundation. At under 2,750 pounds, this rig is lightweight and engineered for balance and stability. Inside, the layout is carefully planned for efficiency, with every tank, reel, and tool having a special location that is easily accessed from the doors on the trailer, while including plenty of room for additional storage. From the aluminum framework to the precise plumbing and electrical work, no detail is overlooked. This rig includes two 100-gallon water tanks, one 100-gallon SH tank, and a 5-gallon soak tank, all securely mounted and plumbed with stainless fittings and three-way valves for easy rinsing and maintenance. You'll also find the industry-trusted Honda GX 690 pressure washer delivering 8 gallons per minute at 3,500 psi. Paired with a 36-inch wand, 4-port J-rod, an ST510 Softwash spray gun, and a 20-inch surface cleaner that stores neatly on its custom rack inside the trailer. Connected to the pressure washer is a downstream manifold which allows you to easily choose between soap and chemicals for your pressure washing workflow. For soft washing, the enclosed series features a 12-volt Delavan 7 gallons per minute pump at 100 psi and the Cyclone 3-valve 3/4-inch proportioner, giving you precise control over your chemicals and water mix. All stainless steel quick connects, aluminum reels, and durable plumbing are assembled with care to ensure lasting quality and professional grade performance. And because everything is housed inside, your investment stays protected from weather and theft, giving you peace of mind and a professional edge on every job. At CigarCity Softwash Supply and Dominator Fabrication, craftsmanship isn't just a goal, it's our standard. For more information, visit CigarCitySoftwash.com or call us at 813-686-7638.